If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen experience without making things complicated, these 5 Amazon gadgets are worth your attention. But among them, number 3 truly stands out in a powerful way. The Polivier electric gooseneck kettle isn't just about boiling water. It's about speed, precision, and control that actually saves you time every single day. Instead of waiting or guessing the right temperature, it gives you instant control so your coffee or tea is ready exactly the way you want it. For anyone who values both efficiency and better taste in their daily routine, this one can quietly transform your kitchen workflow in just seconds. Number 5. Harriet Gooseneck Electric Kettle. The Harriet Gooseneck Electric Kettle is built for people who enjoy a smooth and controlled brewing experience at home. It offers temperature control so you can match the right heat level for coffee, tea, or other hot drinks. The gooseneck spout allows precise pouring, making it ideal for pour-over coffee lovers who care about flavor extraction. Its design is simple, modern, and easy to use, even for beginners. If you want a kettle that upgrades your daily coffee routine without any complexity, this one fits perfectly into that lifestyle. Number 4. Gooseneck Electric Kettle with Temperature Control. The Gooseneck Electric Kettle with Temperature Control focuses on practical use and everyday convenience. It allows you to set the exact temperature for your drinks instead of boiling blindly, which makes a big difference in coffee and tea quality. The gooseneck spout helps you pour water in a controlled way, especially useful for pour-over brewing methods. It also includes safety features like auto shut-off and boil-dry protection for worry-free use. If you want a reliable kitchen tool that makes brewing easier and more consistent, this kettle is a solid choice. Number 3. Polivier Electric Gooseneck Kettle. The Polivier Electric Gooseneck Kettle combines style and performance in one clean design. It comes with temperature control that lets you heat water to the exact level needed for different drinks, improving taste and consistency. The stainless steel body gives it a durable and premium feel, while the gooseneck spout allows slow, controlled pouring for better coffee extraction. It looks elegant on the counter and performs smoothly during daily use. If you enjoy brewing coffee slowly and want something that feels both modern and reliable, this kettle delivers a great balance. Number 2. Entasting Electric Gooseneck Kettle. The Entasting Electric Gooseneck Kettle is designed for everyday users who want better control over their hot drinks without making things complicated. With adjustable temperature settings, it helps you choose the perfect heat for coffee, tea, or herbal drinks so the flavor always stays balanced. The gooseneck design gives you full control over water flow, making pour-over brewing much easier and more precise. It feels lightweight, modern, and beginner-friendly, which makes it great for anyone starting their coffee journey. If you want a simple but smart kettle for daily use, this one fits perfectly. Number 1. Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle. The Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle is made for people who take coffee and tea seriously at home. It gives you precise temperature control so you can heat water exactly the way your drink needs it, instead of guessing every time. The gooseneck spout makes pouring smooth and controlled, which is perfect for pour-over coffee brewing where every drop matters. It heats water quickly and feels very stable during use, while the stainless steel design adds a premium look to your kitchen. If you want cafe-style coffee at home with better control and consistency, this kettle makes the whole process simple and enjoyable. So that's a quick look at these 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets, and now you can clearly see which one fits your daily routine the best. Especially number 3, the Polivier Electric Gooseneck Kettle. It really stands out for its speed, precision, and time-saving performance that can make your kitchen work much smoother every single day. Whether you're making coffee or tea, it gives you better control and a more enjoyable brewing experience without any extra effort. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more smart kitchen gadget reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.